Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Enchant Stones in Fish Eggs. So if you've been lucky enough to find or buy an Enchant Stone like this, don't let it go to waste. So here I'm going to show you where to find the enchant table and how you can roll for good tier perks like the Secret Hunter, the mutations and luck and everything. And here is how you can use your enchant stone. So what you need to do first is head into the location Esoteric Depths and just go down using the elevator until you found this altar like this, and hold your enchant stone and walk to the altar here while holding your enchant stone and put it here. And after that it will begin these like this, and I got the Mutation Hunter. So when you see your roads now, it will become like this, and maybe your lucks will also increase or the speed. It depends on the enchantment that you got. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.